Unlocking mindful wellness, harness power through physical activity. Welcome to a journey where mind meets movement. Our health is wealth, and it's time to enrich ourselves through physical activity. First, we introduce mindful wellness. This isn't just about staying fit, it's about a holistic approach aligning body, mind, and soul. Diving into physical activity, we focus on exercises that not only build strength but also promote mental peace and resilience. From yoga poses to heart-racing workouts, there's something for everyone. Beyond these exercises, we explore how to incorporate mindfulness into our routines, paying attention to breath, sensation, and effort. End this journey with us, feeling empowered and enlightened. Remember, mindful wellness through physical activity is a lifelong commitment, not a quick fix. Physical activity is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. We have to consider not just the body, but the mind, thus practicing mindful wellness. Mindful wellness through physical activity means being present during exercise. It's tuning into the sensations, thoughts, and emotions that arise while you're moving your body. To start, choose an activity you love. Yoga, swimming, biking, or even a simple walk can be a great start. The idea is not to put pressure but to enjoy the experience. When you begin, focus on the present moment. Notice the surroundings, breathe in the fresh air, feel the rhythm of your heart. Engage all your senses, and let your mind connect with your body. Embrace the discomfort. If you feel a little tired or sore, acknowledge it. Don't fight it. Remember, it's part of the process. Give yourself the permission to be imperfect. Connect with the rhythm of your body. Every movement, every stride, every stroke is a dance of the body. Feel the music within you. Take time to rest. Mindful wellness means respecting your body's signals. When you need to pause, pause. It's not about pushing limits, it's about understanding them. Celebrate small wins. Managed to do an extra set? Walked a little further? These are all achievements. Every step forward is a step towards mindful wellness. Practice gratitude. As you cool down, take a moment to thank your body. For its strength, for its resilience, for everything it allows you to do. Keep a journal. Document your journey towards mindful wellness. You can note down your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's a great way to track your progress. Remember, every day is different. Some days might be easier than others. Don't judge your performance. Instead, be patient and kind to yourself. Last but not least, make it a habit. Mindful wellness through physical activity is not a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle. So, keep practicing, keep moving, keep being mindful. In conclusion, mindful wellness through physical activity is a holistic approach to fitness. It's about nurturing your body, mind, and soul. So, let's get moving, mindfully.